Hello friendlies! Today I have a fun video. I'm going to be improving the paint job on these plastic Legend of Zelda props. These are going to be used by a family friend for their Link cosplay. And while the props look great already, I know a little extra time will go a long ways. The first step is to cover everything with a matte varnish. Acrylic paint won't stick well to this type of plastic, so the varnish gives the paint something to hold on to. Moving right along, I'm taking a darker blue and making little brush strokes to outline all of the edges of the blue plastic. This will add dimension and will also add to the illusion that the whole thing was hand painted. Then, I took black paint and painted a solid line at the edge of the blue, where it meets another color or raised detail. This adds more dimension also. I also make a little black line in every corner or to outline other details. This adds a cartoony appearance, which is what I wanted. To add, surprise, even more depth to the piece, I take a watered down black paint and paint the inner wall of the shield and the outer wall. This helps differentiate from the flat front-facing part and helps add a distressed look to the shield. Building on to the distressed look, no shield is complete without some battle damage. I just choose various raised edges and draw black, almost triangle-like shapes to make it look like a sword hit it. This is where everything starts to look really good. Adding the highlights. I take white and highlight quite literally every raised edge. On parts where there are no raised edge but you still want to make it pop, I just add a highlight towards the top of the detail where the light would be hitting it. I follow this same tactic for the battle damage and all around the edges of the shield. Here's the reveal! I think it looks great. Seal it in with more matte varnish and it will be good to go. Check back next week so I can show you how I painted the sword and scabbard. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!